If you've recently moved to a new state, changing the state on your driver's license is something you'll need to take care of pretty soon. Each state has its own rules, but the process is usually pretty straightforward if you know what to bring and where to go. First, look up the DMV or motor vehicle department for the state you just moved to. That's where you'll find everything you need, what documents to bring, how soon you need to do it, and whether you need an appointment. Some states want you to update your license as soon as you move, so don't wait too long. Once you know the deadline, gather your documents. Start with your current driver's license from your old state. It should still be valid. If it's expired, you'll probably need to take a written or driving test like a new driver. Next, bring proof of your identity. This usually means a social security card, a passport, or sometimes both. Your new state's DMV site will list exactly what's accepted, so double-check that. Then you'll need proof of where you live now. Most states want at least 1 or 2 documents that show your name and your new address, like a utility bill, lease, or even a bank statement. Make sure they're recent. Don't forget payment. Fees vary by state, but most DMVs accept cards. Some may also accept cash or checks, so it's worth checking ahead. Now here's something a lot of people miss. You'll need to bring original copies. Photocopies or pictures on your phone probably won't work, so if you're printing a bill, bring the actual printed paper. Once you have everything, go to the DMV or make an appointment if needed. They'll usually take a new photo, ask for your documents, and give you a temporary paper license while the new one is processed. And that's pretty much it.